Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Management System, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. Today I am going to take class for the 5th Sem Diploma Electrical and Electronics branch students. The subject is Electrical Estimation and Costing and the subject code is 15EE54T. Today I am going to discuss about the devices used in Transformer Center. Consider this figure. The figure shows a single line diagram of a distribution transformer station. Here, the 11 kV supply comes. The first protective device is the lightning arrestor. So whenever the surge current comes, the lightning arrestor becomes a conductor and passes this surge current to the earth. So whenever the regular supply is there, it becomes a perfect insulator. Next comes to the GOS. GOS is Group Operating Switch or Gang Operating Switch. It is a switch which connects or disconnects the 11 kV supply from the transformer. Next, the protective device is on gap fuse. Any abnormal current comes, the fuse will blown out. Next is the distribution transformer. So the primary of the transformer is delta connected and the secondary of windings are connected in star. The primary voltage is 11 kV and secondary voltage is 433 volts. Then comes to current transformer. It is used for to measure the current. Next, the arrangement for double feeders. Here, two feeders are going. So it passes, each feeder has to pass through the load break switches or fuses or mounted case circuit breakers. Following are the protective equipment ratings. First is the lightning arrestor. It is of 11 kV class. Second one is gang operating switch or group operating switch. Short form is GOS. It is of 11 kV class. Then current rating is 200 amps or 400 amps. It is operating in single break or double break type with all accessories. Next, on gap fuse or in short form HG fuse. It is of 11 kV class. Next, the current transformer. It is an instrument used to measure the current. The ratio of current transformer is 500 to 5 amps or 1000 to 5 amps, etc. Next one is load break switch. The voltage rating is around 1000 volts and the current rating is 1000 amps or 500 amps, etc. Next, fuse or switch fuse unit. The voltage rating is 1000 volts and current rating is 1000 amps or 500 amps, etc. Next, mounted case circuit breaker. The voltage rating is 800 volts or 1000 volts and current ratings 1000 amps or 500 amps, etc. Let us consider this problem. Prepare the schedule of equipments or materials with specifications for a 11 kV for 415 volts 100 kVA transformer center. So first one, the DP structure, double pole structure. It is the structure upon which the transformer is going to be mounted. The height of the poles 8 meter or 9 meter. Then it is reinforced cement concrete structure, complete with cross arms, braces, pole clamps, bolt and nuts, etc. One set. Then the second material, 11 kV class lightning arresters, the three numbers for three phase. For each phase, one number. Next, the material is GOS, Group Operating Switch or Gang Operating Switch. It is of 11 kV class with 200 amps or 400 amps current rating with single break or double break. So that is one set. The next material is 11 kV class pin insulators, quantity 3 numbers, 1 number for each phase. Next material is 45 kilonewton capacity disc insulator, 3 numbers, quantity that is 1 number for each phase. Next 11 kV class die sets with accessories, 4 sets. 11 kV die sets consists of stay wire, stay rod, stay plate, stay tightener, etc. So with all accessories, 4 sets. Next, the die concreting materials for the above die sets. So the quantity is 4 sets. Next, horn gap fuse unit. So that is 3 numbers, 1 number for each phase. Next, pipe earthing consisting of 2.5 meter length, 50 diameter GI pipe with other accessories, 3 sets. Next, move on to the material anti-climbing device. It is the barbed wire and the danger board. Each quantity is 1 set. Next material is LT protection kit consisting of fuses, load break switches and molded case circuit breakers and arrangement for double feeders. Total quantity 1 set. Next material is LT wiring kit for LT protection kit. So that is 1 set. Next, the distribution transformer. The specification is 11 kV bar 433 volts, 3 phase, 100 kVA, 50 Hz distribution transformer with oil natural and air natural cooling and on load tap changing transformer. Quantity is 1 number. Now let us consider the second problem. Here, prepare the schedule of equipments or materials with specifications for a 11 kV bar 415 volts to 50 kVA transformer center. So the first material double pole structure, that is 2 numbers of RCC type poles. The length of the poles 8 meters or 9 meters. The complete set with cross arms, braces, pole clamps and bolt nuts, etc. 1 set. Next, 11 kV class lightning arrestor, 3 numbers for each phase, 1 number. Totally 3 numbers. Next, GOS. So that is gang operating switch or group operating switch. It is of 11 kV class with the current ratings of 200 amps or 400 amps with the type single break or double break. So that is 1 set. Next material or device is 11 kV class pin insulator, total 3 numbers. Next one is 45 kilonewton capacity disc insulator, 3 numbers. Next 11 kV class die sets with all the accessories, total 4 sets are required. Next, the guy concreting materials for the above guy sets. Total quantity is 4 sets. Next, move on to the material horn gap fuse unit. Total quantity 3 numbers are required. Next, the pipe earthing consisting of 2.5 meter length, 50 diameter GI pipe with other accessories. Total quantity 3 sets. Next, we'll move on to the material, anti-climbing device and the danger board, each one set. Next material, LT protection kit consisting of fuses, load break switches and molded case circuit breakers and arrangement for double feeders. Total quantity is one set. Next material is LT wiring kit or LT protection kit. The quantity is one set. Next, the distribution transformer. The specification is 11 kV bar 433 volts, 3 phase, 250 kVA, 50 Hz distribution transformer with ON-AN cooling and OLTC tap changing distribution transformer. The quantity is one number. The reference books are as follows. First one is Estimation and Specification by Gangadhar Rao. Second one is Estimation and Specification by Raghunath Rao. And third one is Estimation and Specification by Raghavendra Rao. This is the team responsible for e-content development. Thank you all for being with us. Please write to us your suggestion about content, tools and format, etc. to lms.dtek@gmail.com. Thank you. Let us meet again in the next session.